All right, man. So we had a snow day here in Atlanta, the Atlanta snow day, and it was very interesting. You know, a lot of clips, a lot of snowman contests. A lot of people brought out the ATVs. You know, you gotta forgive us because we not really used to this shit. So really, just wasn't really no saying. It wasn't really no telling what you would see from these Southerners. Everybody pulled out their camera. Everybody wanted to get out there and do a video. You know, throw some snowballs. They shut the city down for a whole day. Matter of fact, 2 days. And some folks been getting snow all year. I mean, all for the month, B, for the last 2 months. Some folks been getting snow and they've been having to deal with it every day, B. But in Atlanta, you know, we got to shut down for 2 days. And shit, I almost then didn't get no food for the dog. Store ain't want to open. They want to close early. Chick-fil-A ain't want to open and shit. Shit was crazy out here, man. But yeah, man, I know everybody was out there shooting their music videos and making their snowmen. And, you know, Jeezy had his snowman contest, had his giveaway. We ain't heard from Jeezy. They ain't heard from Jeezy since he was going to court. They ain't heard from Jeezy since him and Jay Ling. It was him. I don't know. My brain kind of bad jokes too. But again, since it started snowing, Jeezy back. Snowman, bitch. 17.5 a piece. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking so much white, it'll hurt your eyes. I really lived it, man. Counting so much paper or so many snowballs, it'll hurt your hand.
You don't hit me twice.
Yeah, man. So we got us some good inches this year. Pause. Of snow, that is. Yes, sir, man. So congratulations to all y'all that, that had y'all a good time. All y'all that built y'all ugly snowmans. And, the folks that came out in their ATVs and sleds. Me, I kind of just hibernated. Stayed the fuck out the way. Cranked up my car, made sure it ran, because the cold freeze got me one time before with the car, so I had to kind of tend to that. And yeah, my dog didn't like the snow, and I don't think I like the snow too much either. But it is what it is. I am looking forward to being able to take a ski trip one day, and some folks was looking forward to this snow day so they could just ski straight to their Waffle House. So shout out to them folks out there that was out there skiing, snowboarding, sledding, slushing, or just snowball fighting in the ATL snow day, man. Monumental 2025, but hey, one day is good enough for me. I'm ready to get back to normal. Ready to get the roads back going. Ready to get, One thing I did enjoy was, it wasn't no traffic. It take a little snow to make some folks stay the fuck home. So that was what's up. Shout out to that. For y'all folks that just decided to stay y'all ass home. Meanwhile, not the YNs. The YNs out, man. Y'all stay on alert. I've been on I've been on my neighbor's app. The YNs still on the prowl. We got coyotes out there. We got dogs running amok, running loose. Some folks let their dogs out. And on the neighbors app, we got folks. It's ATL. So on ATL Snow Day, people on the neighbors app looking for the gas. And I ain't talking about the kind for your car. I'm talking about the kind for your gar. You dig? Yeah, man. Them folks was out there looking for that gas, man, on the neighbors app, man. Yeah. Plenty of people, man. You know, not that I indulge in any of that stuff, but hey, you fuckers are bold, man. You fuckers are bold. I'll tell you that much. You fuckers are bold. All right, so we gonna go ahead and get ready to get up out of here, man. See if we go check out a couple of clips before we get up out of here.